back in the kitchen, and today I'm going to have Ben with me, and we are going to be making chocolate fondant today. So for this recipe, what you'll need is 200 grams of flour, 200 grams of sugar, 200 grams of dark chocolate. Remember, it has to be dark chocolate. 50 grams of butter, 4 full eggs, and 4 egg yolks.
Now, as soon as you've got all that stuff, you need to get 4 bowls, okay? And
little ones.
Little bowls, okay? All you need to do is get a piece of what's this?
Whatever that is.
Greaseproof paper.
Greaseproof paper.
Yeah,
and you just dab it in.
the butter.
And then you just grease the outside like this.
Inside.
So now we need to grab our cocoa powder and get 1 teaspoon of it. And all you have to do is put it in there, okay? Now what you need to do is hover it over here and just spin it around, okay? Now if anything comes out, that's okay, because it just wants to go into the next bowl, so we can use that. And as you can see, the butter is making it stick all on the outside.
The bowl.
Like this. I'm not the best at doing this thing, but
So
yeah.
next you have to take your bowls into the fridge and just leave it.
The next thing we're going to do is break our dark chocolate into a bowl. I haven't done this in a while. So you want that.
So that's 200 grams of dark chocolate in one bowl. So after you've got your 200 grams of chocolate, you're going to have to put it in the microwave, hoping that you do have a microwave. And then you close it up and you have 40 seconds on it, okay? And then 3, 2,
So now
1,
we are going
start.
to put the butter into the chocolate and we're going to microwave that for another 30 seconds. Whatever. That's not exactly in the middle. And as you can see, it'll start to fold down. Ready, Ben? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't know how you
Open door.
where's the open door button?
Oh, that looks
Oh,
lovely.
it's hot in there. Oh, it's hot. Ben, can you shut the door, please? Now we're going to mix it together. It looks good. So you keep mixing it, and then we are just going to leave it for 10 minutes. But you need to get all the bumps out before you
It's
leave.
so chocolatey and I just want to eat it.
It smells so good. So now we're going to add our egg yolks, our eggs, our sugar into the bowl. I'm going to mix it till it gets fluffy. So we're just going to tip all of them in. Tip the yolks in. I'm going to put that in. And carefully pour that in as well. Okay, now we're ready to whisk, Ben. Now put these
3, 2, 1. So next all you have to do is put all this flour in. 3, 2, 1. Okay, after you've got it out, all you have to do is whisk it in the pan. Just reminding you, at any point whilst making this, make sure to just carry on whisking and stirring the chocolate. This just keeps it better.
And it makes it yummy. So now Ben is going to mix that, and whilst he's mixing it, a few times at a time I'm going to add a spoon of chocolate in. So start mixing now. Creamy chocolate.
Oh, and also we're now not using the electric mixer.
Because it's better to use that because it also looks like pattern. Add a bit more. Looks good. Oh, I got some lots inside of the bowl.
Make sure to try and pick up every single bit that you can see is white. Oh, it's long. So now we've got out our bowls again, and now we need to get a ladle of that. Okay, so just gonna like clear off the drops, and so I can just one important thing: when filling it up, it must be halfway up. So if you don't want to fill it.
So about there.
Now, if it's got anything on the side, you can clear that if you want.
With your mouth. Put it over the bowl.
Now with the ingredients that we've given you, it's best to make 4. But if you don't want to make 4, you can just make 4 and then keep it in your fridge, so you can have grab your things again and put it in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. But if you want it even better, you can even put it overnight. That's done for the batter, and now we just need to cook them. Okay, after it's been in the fridge for however long you've kept it in, at least 20 minutes, you need to come back into here, and you need to grab your balls and make them spaced out on a tray. Let's put that one there, Ava. And we will have a 175 degrees fan, okay? And all we have to do is put it in.
I'm not the best at picking up these trays. Thanks, Ben.
Here's it. You need to stay in for at least 15 minutes until the top starts crusting over.
Stop beeping, Robin. These look so good. I can't wait to cut into them. So now we need to leave them for a minute to cool down. So we're just going to leave them out in the air. We're going to tip them out.
Hopefully this works.
Hopefully. Now mine.
It's done.
Okay.
It is upside down though.
It's supposed to be.
I'll turn it around again.
No.
Okay, you ready for me to cut in? Ready? Oh, look at all that chocolatey goodness.
Do you think it's going to be good, Ava?
And all the cocoa powders at the bottom.
Now we put into it, there's an ooze of chocolate for us ready to eat.
Go.
So I'm going to get the outer layer before I get the ooze.
Good. Thumbs. How many? 100,000? The biggest number in the world? Okay, I think that's the biggest number in the world.
That is so, like, really good.
And you took the biggest bite in the world. Okay, now take the ooze in the
Okay,
middle.
so this is like the melted chocolate bit.
Is that good?
It's very, like, warm and oozy.
Like it? Okay, now you're gonna see my reaction. Ready? Go. Oozy goodness. Okay, I'm going to do like Ben did. Try the outside first. Mmm.